Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to find your saved posts on Instagram. Let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app, and in your home feed, you can save any post, photos or videos, and you can do that by tapping on the bookmark icon at the bottom right corner of every post, like this one. So I'm just saving a couple of posts for me to show you later on. And then to find these saved posts, go to your profile by clicking at your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then select the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen and select Saved. And here you'll see all your saved posts, including photos, audios, reels. So these are all gonna show up in one place. And if you want to see all your saved posts, just select all posts. And you can see here all the posts that I've saved earlier in this video. And then if you want to unsave a post, just click that particular post and then click the bookmark icon until it's hollow. And if you go back to your saved posts, it won't be there anymore. And that's it. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!